Okay, guys. I think this camera's good enough now. I don't know if you freaking cares. This camera. Oh my god. Let me see if I can move. Can I move right? Yes, I can move right. Yeah, the camera's fine now. Anyway, last episode, if you saw the ending where my camera fell, and also my battery is dead. I mean, well, it's not dead now, because now I'm charging it. I always forget to charge my things. Which last time, and also last episode, we also learned this new freaking cool magic trick. That just basically shoots a random knife. or whatever you want to call it, a little baby sword. Oh, I'm sorry if you can't see the top. Let me fix that. Anyway, time for some more adventure. And also, what we have to talk about playing as a thief. I mean, what's wrong? What's wrong with playing as a bad guy in a video game? I mean, really? Yeah, I got a mount. I'm on an alligator that has no arms. It only has 2 legs. I have the feeling that this episode I'm going to be really confused because I'm not going to know which one am I. Oh good, I'm screwed now. I hate those big guys. They always freaking grab you. Oh, I'm on the mount, just to let you know. Stop grabbing me. Can you stop it? Oh, I chopped his head off. I love doing that. I love chopping the bad guys' heads off. Oh, I'm gonna die. So I figured out there was an animal somewhere around here. Okay. Ooh, look at this. We're level 5. That means we can use more weapons now. Like, that require level 5. This episode really... God. 2 thieves fighting over an alligator. That's baby work. And then they start... Okay, there's an animal right here. It's called Owlet. Oh, that's the name of the animal. Okay, so you're probably wondering which one am I? I'm the one on the mountain. But really, I'm also the one with a hammer. These things are pretty annoying. But really, I am one of them. I don't know why they're attacking me. Princesses. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. You try to sneak up on me, tries to steal my hammer. Okay, that makes sense to chop. Guys, hammer. Head off with the hammer. Did you just poop? Oh god. Poop on my head. Poop on my head. Poop on my head. I love this song. It's so freaking awesome. What? 2 hammers. That's why I got the materials. Okay, some money and some food. That's kind of wealthy. You got some food and you have money. It's kind of wealthy. Please don't poop, dear. Don't be dear. Dear. You're disgusting. You're the most disgusting thing I ever seen. My very own eyes. Wow, that hurt. Okay, this episode's gonna be really annoying since I don't even know which one I am. Stop freaking shooting your arrows at me. Oh, 2 can play at that. 2 can play at that game. 2 can play at that game. Now we're shooting freaking arrows at each other. Do you like this? Do you want this? You want that? Dang it, shoot the ball. Booyah. 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 Yeah, you're dead now, huh? What the? Oh, trolls. Don't troll me. Yeah, these things should melt like little fur. Oh, wait, give me that coin. I'm a thief. Whoa, I have a lot of money. That's just a stick. There's a pet troll in there. That's actually an animal orb. Yeah, break that cracked wall. Now there's a bear. Uh-oh, bear. That's the uh-oh bear. Ew. Is this? Oh yeah, I forgot my battery's dead, so I can't use flash, which is a good thing. Get back here with my money. How are you doing laundry? You're not a woman. Only women can do laundry. Ow. Now I'm level 6. You can't hurt me. Okay, now we have random thieves just running away. I'll come with you. Okay, now we're just randomly running into a wall. Okay. No, I got him. What? I saved your life. Oh, I'm burning. And let's have a cooked up thief. Well, the music just came the second I just got that. This game has like a couple of ugly bosses. They look really ugly. Stop running away when I'm hitting you. Am I like the only thief that's brave? Oh, I died. Why do I never pay attention Wait, actually, let's decrease a little bit of defense and, no. No! Yeah, there we go, that's better. That Steve's picture, like that has winning crowd at 0 beneath it, like that just looks freaking awesome. That picture looks freaking awesome. That picture is like, that picture's going number 1. Do I have any? Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, last episode I didn't, the only thing I increased last episode was this and this. I never increased it. Anyway, how long has it been? Oh, it's only been like 10 minutes. It's only been 10 minutes for an episode. Oh, wait, how long was my last episode? I didn't check the time of the last episode. Wait, now I gotta start this whole freaking thing over. I'll tell you this, but I never died at like the beginning of the Castle Crasher. I only died at the freaking Necromancer boss. No, don't poop on my head. I just stepped on your poop. Stop doing that. Okay. Ah. Aha! Before you. Yeah, make more friggin' knives come out of your hand, like presto. Like presto would. Ow. I need a new hammer. No, I already have this weapon. Why would I want it again? Yeah, get up there. No. Ooh. Now I'm level 7 now. And my archery skills are better. They're faster. Now we are going to fight some troubles. Now you are going to freaking die. Cause you are really a girlie. We'll never see you again. Die. Die. Last second death. Wow. There's like a dragon troll animal orb in there. You need a bomb to like freaking. And I'm flying in the air. Whoa. Dude, just watch your clothes. There's nothing wrong with that. We have book bags. We're going to school. There's a murder to get there. I'll just let you know, there's like this achievement you can get after getting the deer level. Come on. Get it out. Okay, this is awkward now. And there's a spider web on that wheel on the side. Just like this achievement you can get if you pass this level without getting hurt once. Which I have that achievement. And I'm not going to show it to you because I'm not going to waste your time. And I just got hit. I don't have to freaking worry, I mean, I already have the achievement, so. Oh, I didn't even pay attention. I have to pay attention more. Smack idea. That just sounded awkward. Ow. Okay, this is awkward. Now, wait, can I get on the deer? I can't get on the deer. Hey, it's my best friend. No best friend. I'm just joking, that's not my best friend. Get off me. Holy. What's a... I just do. Is that a glitch or something? Oh God. Dude, stop trying to hurt me. Whoa, I'm on 2 already. Okay. Oh God. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Whoa, it's sticking me. I have to tell you, this boss is like really ugly looking. Really isn't. You're never gonna get a girlfriend. Because you're an ugly cat. Ow. Please made to go off my TV. What am I doing? really love this song. Wow. I just purposely wanted to hit the button. Almost done with boss. But then it ends the video. You're dead. Hey, there's a bear. Hey, Kane. Don't push me. Hey, Grey Knight, don't push me. Because you're driving a boat. What? Okay, 78? That's a lot. That's a lot of banana. Anyway, guys, I hope this is done for. Wait. What is this? There's X. What the? Oh, I already have these. Anyway, I hope this does for an episode. And I'll see you later. If I could even. And my controller is in the way, so bye.